Hey everyone, welcome back. Round Geek here. Well, you all may know that I keep working on my Windows PC and laptop to make computer faster, reliable, and risk-free. But on Windows, there is a setting that is enabled by default, which is collecting your information. And yes, I'm talking about the telemetry, and basically Microsoft call it diagnostic data. But let's be real, this is data collection that happened quietly in the background, and most people don't realize just how much information gets scooped up. So what exactly is Windows Telemetry? According to Microsoft, telemetry is Microsoft's way of gathering information from your PC, and according to the company, this helps identifying the bug, improving the performance, and deliver updates that match the way people use Windows. This is what Microsoft say, but in reality, it goes very beyond the error report. Telemetry collect detail about your system configuration, which app you install, how often you use them, what kind of hardware you run, and even pattern in your activity. However, Microsoft assure us that data is anonymized, but what is anytime there is a data breach on Microsoft server? And even should I share my personal activity with even Microsoft? No, I don't think so. Now, not only the privacy is in the risk, it also consumes the bandwidth, chews CPU cycles, and add one more background process to a system that already has plenty. Well, now you might also have a question in your mind that how much data is Microsoft collecting through this telemetry? So Microsoft doesn't publish a detailed breakdown of telemetry collection, which is another red flag in itself. But from independent research and user testing, we know that the data can be extensive. And if you're really concerned about your privacy and even about the performance, then I would recommend you to keep this option always to disable. So on Windows 10 or Windows 11, what you will have to do, bring up your settings. From the left hand side, you will have to click on privacy and security. Then you have to look for diagnostic and feedback. And here on the very top, you will find the diagnostic data, and it says helps to improve Windows and keep it secure, up to date, and working as expected. So here if you click on the drop down, it gives you the detailed information. You are sending required diagnostic data. As a part of using Windows, your device and Microsoft a limited set of data that is necessary to keep your device and operating system secure. Now what is exactly that limited set of data? We are exactly not sure about it, and that's exactly what I tried to explain you. So what you have to do, send optional diagnostic data, you will have to disable it. And even I would recommend you go with this improving inking and typing. Also go ahead and disable this. View diagnostic data, you can also go ahead and disable it. Now part of this, if you are using the Windows 10 or 11 Pro operating system, then you can also bring up the group policy editor. So search for group, click on edit group policy. Here from the left hand side, under the computer configuration, you will have to click on administrative template. Then from the right hand side, click on Windows component, make a double click on it. And here you have to look for data collection and preview builds. Make a double click on it. And here you will find allow diagnostic data. Now the Windows 11 user will find by the name allow diagnostic data, but Windows 10 user may find this by different name like allow telemetry data. Okay, so once you get it, make a double click on it. This will bring up another box. Here you need to choose it to disable. Click on apply and click on OK. And now after closing this, you have successfully stopped the Microsoft to spy on you, and none of the data will be shared to the Microsoft that what exactly you are doing. But apart of this, if you are more concerned about your security, and if you want to apply few more tweaks to completely optimize your privacy so that none of your details should be shared with anyone. So for that, what you can do, click on Windows search, type PowerShell, click run as administrator, click on yes, then bring up any of your browser and search here Chris Titus. Click on the first website, scroll down a bit, and you will find a code here. This one, you can copy it, go back to the PowerShell page, make a right click and paste it and hit the enter key. And very soon the dashboard of the Chris Titus will be up like this. It's an amazing and the free tool created by the Chris Titus, very useful tool. And if you have not ever used it, then of course you should try in order to apply the tweaks, in order to debloat your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Many more things are being given on this tool here. Alright, so what exactly you will have to do, you will have to come to the tweak section. Here in the recommended selection, it will give you a few options like either you can go with the standard preset or with the minimal if you want to clear it or get installed. So always you will have to go with the standard one, and it will automatically check all the required tweak that should be applied on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now if you want to read here, the best part is like if you hover upon disable telemetry, it will give you all the information. Disable Microsoft Telemetry. Note this will lock many Edge browser settings. And if you want to know more about it, click on the question mark. It will redirect you to the Chris Titus website. And you can read in the description, it says disable the Microsoft Telemetry. Note this will lock many Edge browser settings. Microsoft spies heavily on you when using the Edge browser. Alright, so you can apply this tweak. Disable the consumer feature. Click on the question mark, read about it. Windows 10 will not automatically install any game, third-party application or application link from the Windows Store for the signed-in user. Next, you have the disable activity history. And if you again click on this question mark, it will give you the information. This erases a recent document, clipboard and the run history. So always recommended that you should delete it. And this way, you can read all kind of information here. Like disable the location tracking. Seriously, we don't want it that anybody should track our location. Not only me, I believe none of you might be thinking about is enabling it. So I will always keep this disabled. Next is the Wi-Fi sense option. And if I click on the question mark, it says Wi-Fi sense is a spying service that phone whom all nearby scanned Wi-Fi network and your current geolocation. So basically, if you enable this option, they will be getting the detail about your phone, the scanned Wi-Fi network, and even your geolocation, and how anybody can give that kind of information to anyone. So this way, whichever option you want to apply, you can apply that and click on Run Tweak. Now there are many more options that are being listed here, but I won't be discussing about that in this video. So doing this simple work, you can quickly get rid of many privacy issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And hopefully you found this video informative. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.